Today we're doing a little job before a band comes in tonight. They're after somewhere to hang some clothes. But anyway, this is the little bit out the back there. They call it a green room. I don't think there's much green about it. It's more of a gear storage room anyway, but we figured this is a good place. People are gonna have put on costumes of some kind that we can, they can do it here and then walk on stage without having to walk through the crowd in their costume. So, Dr. Colossus, bands like that. We're gonna have a little place for you to hang your normal clothes. But anyway, pretty easy. Basically, we're just gonna do that. No, obviously we're gonna do some other stuff, but
probably come to fit.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna 100% do it my way, which is never the right way.
We have been talking about making a thing called Shane's Way.
Yeah, Shane's Way. It works. Like I'm a busy person. I've got meetings and shit all the time, and I don't have time to do it. But anyway, I've got my array of tools, and now we're gonna probably do it wrong. I'm gonna mark up where I'm gonna cut this bastard. Get up there. Anyway, we had to do everything black, and like, there's no lighting in here. We've actually got the lighting set up. That's a bit of a pain.
Does that mean there's no lighting in here when it's the bands as well?
Oh, they've got fairy lights, but you can see these things.
Oh, yep.
But anyway, you don't really want light bleeding out on stage anyway. I dropped the angle grinder on the way down.
It is an emerging big part of these episodes that we break something and then struggle to fix it.
Have to break something. I've actually got the wrong side. Oh no, spot on. Happy days. Anyway, I'm going to do one at a time because I can guarantee that I'm going to make sure that I do at least one right.
It's alright, mate. We'll get there.
Look, no battery in it.
Good start.
Boy. Am I right to go?
Yeah, mate. Lovely.
There's one.
That's a great smell it creates, isn't it?
Let's go see if it actually works. Actually not bad. But here's the thing. Do I put it out here?
Well, you got to drop it down about another 500. There you go.
You reckon?
Well, if you have it flat up against the things, they won't be able to get their coat hangers on and off.
True.
You've seen a cupboard before?
Hey?
You've seen a cupboard before?
We don't have cupboards at our house. And if we did have a cupboard, none of my clothes were in them. Leanne's got a band collection. Have you seen her t-shirt collection of like band shirts?
I helped you move house, mate. I lifted every single one of them.
There's literally like thousands of them. And I've got no room for Shane in a cupboard. Well, no room for me in a cupboard for sure. I wouldn't fit in one. Anyway, right, so what? Oh, it's got to mark down. So you reckon?
About half that.
What do you reckon? If I went there, would you be happy?
Yeah.
I would be too. I'm definitely not going to get this right. Alright, if I go, you know what I'm saying? Like if I go...
Just about halfway in.
I don't want to go halfway in.
You don't think?
Nah, I mean...
You want it on the front?
Kind of want it on the front.
Okay.
Maybe if I go 150 in. Try and get the horizontal right, and I'm like,
I guess that way you've got more options for keeping stuff behind it.
yeah. But that's a roughie. Let's see if I can do this. Now, the big question is, do I just jam it in? Probably.
Well, the fittings slip over the end, don't they?
Well, probably, but...
I reckon you'd want to drill the back holes before you do the front. And then you could jam it in and do the front with it on, so you could use it as a template while you're doing it.
Well, I could just do this. But, no, I'm just talking about getting, like, I'll get this one on, and then I'll just fucking...
Yeah, except you're going to cause yourself a problem there.
Why is that?
Well, because you've cut the bar the same width as the thing, right? So if
Yeah,
you attach that to the wall, you're not
right.
going to be able to get it in.
Watch.
Alright.
Oh! I knew I should have fucking done the right thing.
It always helps. You gonna pile the hole first?
Yeah, I should.
Yeah, it never hurts, mate.
Never hurts. I should do the pilot.
Yeah, absolutely. What did we learn from the
No,
door hangers out?
you never learn,
episode?
guys. That's the secret. You never learn. Always just go about your way. There's important stuff to do today. I've got to go build a mausoleum. There's no
You're building a mausoleum.
Yeah, at the office.
What for?
For a band. I'm actually doing it for a band.
Oh, okay.
And I'm just calling it the mausoleum just to annoy them.
Nice.
Oh, well, not really annoy them, but you know.
Always really pile holes, kids.
Oh yeah, no hole out the back.
Perfect.
Oh, look. There's one. That look kind of straight.
That one you got your hand on is going to come down a tiny bit. There you go. And if it goes on a lean, it can just be self-organising.
That's right. Multi-function use. Actually, I know this won't come out, but do you know who I'm really glad I'm doing this for?
Who?
Neptune Power Federation.
Absolutely. I don't think there's stuff to fit in this little hole though, mate.
Hey?
I don't think there's stuff to fit in this little hole though.
Probably not.
There's some big outfits.
So anyway, do you know what the huge problem here is?
What's that?
I didn't f this one up, and I still reckon that's like lean.
No.
Yeah,
You're crackers, man.
doesn't matter.
Yeah, hang on.
Well, actually, I think the building's on a lean. Do we have a level?
I do. I'm just getting it out of my pocket right now.
I always forget that this is on the phone, and I should probably use it more often. Measure. Oh, you can measure stuff as well.
Oh, come on, open.
Hold on. Oh, f off.
Yeah.
I'm a f***ing genius. Now let's do the building
Hey,
there.
hang on.
No, that says it's on 0 too. No, this phone.
Hang on, well, let me do mine then.
All right.
And swap it.
Oh,
Mine's got the actual spirit level thing going on. Plum, mate. Hang on. Oh, that's not much. Plum.
Okay. Yeah. What about this itself?
It's like someone used the level when they were building it.
Jesus. Not me. Anyway, right. There's one. Let's do number 2. Now, just to make and giggles, I should put the other one down there, shouldn't I?
Oh yeah?
Probably.
You gotta separate the artists sometimes. I reckon that meter gap will solve a lot of issues.
Yeah, just in case, you know. Anyway, see, we bought a new drum kit when we took over. It's a good drum kit, but it's not very well. It's already ripped. I'm like, good. It was expensive. Anyway, let's cut the next one, hey?
I reckon it's probably a good thing you keep saying we're gonna f up because it's going right so far. So
Well,
the second you get confident, you're gonna wreck it.
All right, let's go do a one-hand. Maybe put the battery in properly, huh? That'll do. Fuck! I shouldn't have done that.
What?
Leanne's
that
gonna
for?
watch this every time.
Huh?
Leanne's gonna watch this, And she's gonna, like, we'll be watching it together, and she's gonna turn to me and she's gonna go, "Don't open it with your teeth!"
These bands are creative people.
But constant improvement.
Milk crates.
Constant improvement for bands is what we do. Always make it that little bit better. And then they'll come back and hopefully all the people come to the shows and buy lots of tickets and merch and drink lots of piss.
That's the game.
Hey, if the bands are happy, we'll be happy. Maybe.
No, I don't want to ever speak too soon, but I think this might be the
Well, see,
might
the
be the
surprising
exact
thing is,
opposite of the door hook episode.
because every other episode we've done, I filmed it on zero sleep.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, so now that I'm like in, like last night, I slept until from like 12 a.m. until like 21 past 7 is when I got up. So that's like more sleep than I've had in a long time. Look at that. Rock and
Hang your stinky rocks on that.
yeah. But anyway, should we get a... Oh, this one can't be level. I keep looking at it. Or maybe it's just my eyesight that's wonky.
Maybe you got one leg longer than the other.
It's saying 0.
There you go. Isn't that just a beautiful thing?
Look at that. Maybe we do on the social media, but I'll do that with me.
Lovely.
That works. If you're in a band who likes to hang up their jacket, Trump Mums, I'm looking at you. There you go. That's for tonight. We literally got that done at the last minute because we were going to put something that people would have just broke up. So I'm pretty happy. I'm not disappointed. I'm disappointed in the length. I still reckon we should have went up higher. Anyway, that's alright. That worked.
Just be happy with the job well done, mate.
Thanks, mate. First, we should film this bit because it's important. Tools. And I worked with a guy once who used to yell at me a lot, and another one that I grew up with, who was my grandfather, who used to yell at me every time if I finished a job and never put the tools away exactly how. You put your tools away, and then for your next job you get the tools that you need. That way you don't lose these things. And which, if you look here, obviously...
Let's blame Young Buck.
Well, yeah. Actually, someone wrote one of them.
It was me, wasn't it?
Yeah. No comment. Here's some Glen 20. Number 1 in any band room.
You sprayed that in your eyes, haven't you?
I have, on purpose and not on purpose. But anyway, that's been Better Totes and Gardens. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting your local live music venues, your local bands, and all the people that make music incredible. Please tune back in for the next episode, which will be coming out sometime soon. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Share. Do all of it.
You will use a probate or comment on how I am.
If there's a button, press it. Even if it's negatively.
Leave the negative ones. I'm happy. We hope you enjoy it. We'll see you out there soon.